Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the concatenate function in Power BI's DAX language. By the end of this video, you'll know not only how to join text columns together, but how to make your data really work for you, adding clarity and polish to your reports. This is one of those simple DAX tricks that can have a big impact on how your visuals look and how people understand your data. Let's jump straight in. To start, we already have some sample data ready to go. You'll find the formula in the video description, so feel free to copy it and follow along. Our employee table contains 3 columns: first name, last name, and department. For example, you'll see names like Alice Smith in sales, Bob Johnson in HR, and so on. If you want, you can customize these names or add a few more rows just to practice, but this set is perfect for learning the basics. Once you've loaded the employee table into Power BI, it's time to create our calculated columns. This is where the magic happens. Head over to the Modeling tab at the top and click on New Column. This part might take a few moments if you're new to Power BI, but don't worry, I'll walk you through each formula. The first column we'll create is called Full Name. Here we use the DAX formula. Full name equals concatenate first name, last name. Now, concatenate basically sticks the text from the first name column right next to the last name, but keep in mind, there's no space between them. So Alice Smith will show up as Alice Smith. If you're building a report for internal use, maybe that's fine, but for presentation or exporting data, most folks prefer a space in between names. Let's address that with our second calculated column, full name with space. Here's the formula: full name with space equals concatenate first name, concatenate last name. You might notice it looks a bit nested. We're using concatenate inside another concatenate. Why? Because we first add a space literally and then attach it to the last name. So now Alice Smith appears as Alice Smith. It's a neat trick to handle spacing when you're combining text columns. But wait, there's an even simpler way. Our third column is full name easy using this formula. Full name easy equals first name and last name. Here we use the ampersand and operator, which is a quick way to join text. It's just like gluing words together with a little space in between. Personally, I find this technique to be cleaner and easier to read, especially when you're working with more complex strings. Now let's see your hard work pay off. Switch to the report view in Power BI. This is where we visualize our data. Insert a table visual. It's the classic grid layout, perfect for showing text values side by side. Then drag and drop the fields: first name, last name, department, plus our new calculated columns, full name with space, and full name easy, into your table. Take a moment here to review how the results look. You'll notice full name gives you merged names with no space like Alice Smith. Full name with space uses that nested concatenate trick to show Alice Smith, and full name easy, using the ampersand, gives you Alice Smith in a much more direct way. If you're wondering which to use, the ampersand method is generally more flexible and straightforward, but it's good to know the classic concatenate for compatibility and legacy reports. And that's it. You've just leveled up your Power BI skills with DAX text functions. I hope this made the process clear and approachable, no matter your experience level. If you found this helpful, please hit like and let me know in the comments if you have questions or want to see more DAX tricks. Don't forget to subscribe for future tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.